Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's been a while since I have brought you guys a foodie grocery haul. So I needed desperately to visit the grocery store. I don't like going at the beginning of the month because it just get extremely crazy, but I really do need it too. I just wanted to run some stuff out that I have, and But anyways, my store of choice, price right, and the amount spent was $71.56. So, let's see what we got. Guys, sorry about my back. Of course, you guys know, repeat purchase. Ices, my husband. I apologize for what you see on my sink. I got two of the herbs, cilantro. So good, especially for stew. So I got two of those. I got one head of lettuce. This was $2.29. I remember when the lettuce used to be 99 cents. I'm telling you. The cilantro are 99 cents each, so I got two. The ices, I can't remember the ices, but I believe for both of those, it was maybe like six something. I got my fruits, mango, 69 cents each. I don't know about you, but I like to make my salad, and I like to chop like apples, mangoes, and I like to chop it in small pieces and put it on my salad. It is so good. I love adding walnuts. Anything that's fruit and nutty, I like adding it to it. I like to add my chia seeds, my flax seeds. It's healthy for you. I got 3 Macintosh apples. They were $1.49 for the 3. And of course, I got recaito. I needed one of those. And we needed, well, I do have some in the freezer, but I want to make sure I keep it on stock. Original tater tot bites, and I believe these ones are the this is the original flavor, because usually they got the onion ones and stuff, but this is the original ones. All right, guys, I don't have anything else in here. This stuff has to go in the refrigerator, so let me do that, and we will continue. All right, let's continue, guys. I got a latte, half a gallon, because I have half in the refrigerator. I bought 2 sweet plantains. I want to make stuffed plantains. They are so good. My husband don't like them, but I do. I don't know if you guys have had this before, but they are a delicious recipe. It is a recipe from the island. Yeah, it's what we call taino cooking, guys. We have a loaf of bread. The plantain was 57 cents each. And of course, a bag of potatoes, $2.29 for the bag of potatoes. And I bought some pasta sauce because I have a lot of turkey left. I have it in the freezer, so I want to make some turkey pasta. And also I bought an avocado. So I will be having a piece of this for me to eat when it's done, and the rest I will let it get really, really ripe. I will put it on my blender or my little bullet, and I will add 1 egg. I will add extra virgin olive oil. I will blend this until it's nice and blend, and then I will put it on my hair. I will make my hair mask. I have not made my hair mask in a while, and my hair is thirsty, so we need to do that. And of course, we got 2 little bags of sugar, and over here we bought celery, $1.29. I bought butter. I bought salt. Well, I didn't butter. My husband grabbed the salted. I like to buy the unsalted because you can always add salt to the recipe. And guys, I did not even have 1 can of bean in this house. You guys gonna see that in one of my videos. I didn't have beans. So, but anyways, we needed corn. I didn't have any canned goods. So we needed corn. So 3 corns. My husband picked this up. We have gandules, which is green pigeon peas, and pink beans. So 2 of each of those, because those last up usually when I cook, I use half a can. So that'll be plenty. And of course, garlic powder. I'll buy the one with the little pink ribbon because they do a portion goes to the breast cancer research. And of course, we needed to get my flavor water. All right, let's continue. Oh. I'm telling you, small kitchen and small counter is not easy. All right. There. The potatoes. I hope you guys are doing good. We are doing great over here in the household, the Cabasa household. So, like I said, I apologize for the stuff in this thing because I know there are going to be those people that are going to talk. But, you know, it is what it is. It's life. This is real life. Not going to show you something perfectly when you know nothing is perfect. Okay, I showed you guys the milk already. So I got stevia. This was $3.29. I bought quick oats. I like doing this my overnight oats. I put a little package of stevia, 3 teaspoons of not 3 teaspoons, 3 tables. Oh my goodness. I use 3 of these. This is 1 tablespoon. So I use 3 of these to make my overnight oats, and I add whatever fruit I want and my chia seed, flax seeds, and eat it. So I got that. And like I told you guys, you know, I'll buy the store brand mac and cheese because it tastes the same. So I'm not going to buy something that I'm paying for the brand, and the 1 box of macaroni and cheese cost me almost $4 when I pay only $1 something for those. Okay, I needed ranch dressing. I bought the light one, and my husband got the Italian dressing for him. I got 3 more delights, water, a black cherry, kiwi, strawberry, and then this one is tropical, and another pasta sauce. I believe that's all, guys. So thank you for being here with me, and I'm going to leave it like I always say: be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.